Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford Ranger in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency. It does also come with running boards down below, so you can have an easier time getting in, but let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for 3 with fold-out armrests and 2 cup holders in the middle, as well as having a 110-volt power outlet and 2 USBs. The seats themselves can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo, as well as reveal some storage bins underneath. Then looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 info with a digital speedometer, distance to empty, trip odometer, trip timer, average fuel economy, and all your stats together. And then you have your fuel economy separately, your truck info such as power distribution, your driver assistance features and settings, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Moving on, you do also have your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock, but then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. You have your digital climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures and remain comfortable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Moving down from that, you have your hazards, and then you have your media controls and your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate. Then you do also have 2 12-volt power outlets here, as well as 2 USBs, so you can plug something into power or charge. Then you have your auto start stop shut off, your tow haul mode button, and your traction control shut off, as well as your 4-wheel drive controls. And then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have your parking brake, 2 cup holders, and your center compartment / armrest, which is pretty spacious inside as well. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.